Alright, I got all my sod up. Used the little Honda cultivator to create my furrows down through here. Buckwheat doesn't have to go in too awful deep. And from what I know, it even does good in poor soil. But this is actually some of the best dirt that we have on the property. So I'm gonna head to the barn and get my bucket of seed. That's my buckwheat seed. Over this lightly with a rake, and then I'm going to come back and mulch it with some straw. I just used the back side of this rake and pull lightly. I don't remember if I've shown this rake before, but it's one that I cut every other tooth out of when you're working soil and you need to get rid of clumps and leave good dirt behind. This works great as far as a first rake. Now I'll pull that stuff out. Like I said, leave the good dirt behind. Okay, I started this and decided to stop. I don't know how buckwheat does with competition, and what weed seeds or anything else may be in with this straw may be too much competition for them. I just thought it would, started off thinking it would be good to cover it, and it may be, but I just don't know. So somebody can leave a comment and give me your thoughts if you know. I'll just keep an eye on it and hope that that stupid chicken doesn't come up here and scratch around and want to eat my buckwheat. So I've been out in the heat long enough. Got to work at 4 o'clock this morning. It is 20 till 5 now. I'm done. So I'm heading to the house, load up the sod cutter, close it up, the trailer, and go cool off. Be a blessing in somebody's life if you're able. Have a good evening, and thanks for watching. Thanks for spending some time with me at Runaway Homestead.